Now we're going to simplify this stuff here. So first thing there, x squared minus 9, that can be written down as x minus 3 times x plus 3, because that's the difference of two squares, right? That's x squared minus 3 squared, something like that, right? So we can write it like that, and underneath then we can factorize this, 2 15s or 30s, so we can write down 2x squared minus 6x minus 5x plus 15 divided by, we can take the x out on top and you have x plus 3 there, and downstairs we can take out 2x by 2x minus 5. That's right, I think. Is it right? 2x squared we're going to take out. Right, so, and that gives us 4x cubed, and 2x squared by minus 5 is minus 10x squared. Then down here, we're going to go again here. Downstairs then we're going to have 2x by x minus 3 minus 5 by x minus 3 divided by, this guy stays the same. I'll just write it in to keep things neat. And we can write this again here. Down below then we can write it like this, 2x minus 5, we can see that, we're recognizing that from the far side, x minus 3, and when you're dividing you can replace that with a multiplication and flip the second guy over. So that's the rules for dividing fractions. And we can see that this guy here cancels with this fella cancels with this, and the 2x minus 5 cancels with this fella here. So we're left with 2x squared over x, and this x cancels with one of the x's on top, so we're left with 2x. And that is it. I can't go any simpler than that, I think.